कुठे आलो आपण?
Arambol Beach
का आलो आपण?
for paragliding. We'll see how it goes.
But when we went to Arambol Beach, we came to know that paragliding activity Querim Beach पे होती है. So we reached Querim Beach, which is hardly 3 to 4 kilometers from Arambol Beach. Querim Beach पे पहुंचने के बाद we came to know that there are two ways to go to paragliding site. One is you walk through one of the mountains until you reach the cliff, and second is a drop service where we obviously chose the second option. This is the route through which we went up to the site. This route took us 15 to 20 minutes to finally reach to the top.
Hello guys, so today we have come to Querim Beach near Arambol in Goa, and here we are paragliding. So let's see how it goes. See how it goes.
There were 3 gliders initially and almost 15 people in queue for paragliding that day. We reached there by almost 4 pm and waited for our turn. Wind direction and force was continuously changing, so हमें chance मिलेगा या नहीं इस पे doubt ही था. They charged us almost 3,500 for paragliding with video and 3,000 for paragliding without video. And after a long wait, finally I got a chance to go for it at almost 6:20 pm. With butterflies in my stomach, I gave it a shot, and you'll see how mesmerizing it was. विंड डायरेक्शन काफ़ी चेंज हो रहा था, इसलिए मेरे ग्लाइडर ने मुझे पहले ही बता के रखा था कि हम जल्दी लैंड करेंगे. As you can see, he is also helping me with camera angles to capture a good view from above the sea. I was fairly new with handling cameras that time, इसलिए sorry for not being able to capture the scenes correctly. But not to worry, as we all learn and grow, it's gonna get better and only better, I promise. Overall, it was a quick 10 minutes glide due to wind conditions, but I had some great fun up there.
Bye bye.